Welcome to Adri Dry and Breezy Entertainment. Tech, music, nature, troubleshooting, and honest reviews, all in one place. Let's get into it.
Here's how you would update a pre-existing gateway. Now, this data gateway is one used to facilitate access to the central data stored on the reporting server, and that data is then fed into Power BI. So the on-premise data gateway allows for those type of functionalities. So I'm doing the on-premise data gateway download first, and then I'll go to the personal mode as well. So there's two, just in case if one goes down, so you have a bit of redundancy to work with. Alright, so just download from Microsoft. Alright, so it's going to take a while, so I'm just going to speed up this process. Alright, so now that's finished downloading. I'm just going to go to the downloads folder and locate the update files. So I'm going to start with the on-premise one before I get to the on-premise personal mode one. So let's just get to running that and close it so it doesn't interfere with the update. Let's run it. Alright, so just want to check that and click update, and I'm going to speed this up a bit so that we don't wait too long for it to load. Alright, so it's almost complete. Now it's completed and we see that it has been updated. Now the next step, it would be to sign in. Alright, so you just enter in the account that you use to sign into your Power BI, and just give it a bit and it will ask you to confirm. Once you've confirmed, you will see where you are now signed in, and this process remains the same for both. So now let me go to the personal. So I won't show the whole update for the personal because it's the same, it really is. So I'll just complete it and just show you the login process. Alright, so it's loading. Ensure you use the account for your Power BI to sign in, and then that is basically it, same as before. However, if it does ask you this, just continue. Sometimes Microsoft will have a little mishap in terms of realizing the versions you have, so it may ask you to update and you already have the updated version, or it may allow you to update but then doesn't recognize that you have updated to the newer version. So just select continue, and that will basically just bypass this. Just give it a bit to load. Once loaded, you'll see that it has been updated and is now ready to use, and you can check your various platforms that are using this on-premise gateway to ensure that they are being picked up online. Might need to refresh. Hey guys, if you found this content helpful, don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Thank you.